Hello, my little rays of sunshine. How are you all doing out there today? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and this is my son Joshua.
Hi.
And Joshua and I are going to be working on a really nice Christmas snack. It is one that Joshua absolutely loves, and he likes to have it every Christmas season. So Joshua, what are we going to work on this morning?
Peanut butter balls.
Peanut butter balls. And as you can see behind Joshua, we have a whole collection of the Rice Krispie, well, actually they're the holiday edition Rice Krispie cereal. And I'll show you, I'll give you a closer look. Excuse me, Josh. These are very, very nice. Look at all the beautiful colors. And they're wonderful for Rice Krispie squares, which is also on the menu. So this is what we're going to be using for our project today. And you're all welcome to join us. It would be great to have you. Yeah, you got her. And just put it in the bowl. And you need another one, Josh.
All right.
Good, and just put that in the bowl. Joshua and I are all finished putting the ingredients in my big Tupperware bowl, and everything is all mixed in. Look at those beautiful... Joshua and I are all finished mixing everything into this big, beautiful Tupperware bowl, and look at the colorful Rice Krispies in there mixed in with the peanut butter. It looks wonderful. So now our next step is to start rolling these into some peanut butter balls and placing them into this freezer container because they freeze really, really well. So that's our next step, my friends. Joshua and I are all finished the peanut butter balls, and here's what they look like. Lots of nice peanut butter, and look at all the beautiful colored Rice Krispies in there. And this is one of Joshua's favorite snacks during the Christmas season. And they freeze really, really well, so we'll take them out, a little here, a little there, and Josh can have some snacks over the holidays. Joshua and I are just about to start recipe number 2. And what is the next recipe, Josh?
Rice Krispie squares.
Rice Krispie squares. Another one of Joshua's favorites for the Christmas season. So away we go. That's just right. Good job.
Right.
Good. Joshua and I are all finished the fancy schmancy Christmas Rice Krispie squares. Josh, did you want to show them? They turned out beautiful, and it was a lot of fun to do this with Josh. I had a good time, Josh.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us. If you like this vlog, please give us the YouTube thumbs up.
Or press the subscribe button. That would be great. And we have more vlogs coming up, so stay tuned, and we'll talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.